Hey there. If you're watching this, you're most likely a contractor. I'm Steve, and I've spent the better part of the last 30 years in the ice dam removal and heat cable business. At Radiant Solutions, we say we understand contractors better than any other manufacturer because the truth is we weren't born in a boardroom. We were born up here. Years ago, I realized that my success is going to depend on building this company from the ground up to help guys like you succeed. And that starts with Heat Tape Pro, a cable that meets or exceeds the same UL testing standards as Raychem, Drexan, and Thermon. Add one of the longest warranties in the industry on top of patented innovations that no one else can touch, and you have a system that gives you an unfair advantage during the bidding process. But to be honest, the real advantage in working with us is in how we do business with you. If you're new to the business, we have a program to walk you through everything you need to know, from how to order products with a killer discount to cable layouts and planning. Also, how to bid jobs to win and cover yourself with good contracts. And the best installation practices using the most sophisticated installation system in the world. That was fast. If you're a salty veteran and you've installed miles of cable, we've got your back too. Same day shipping, absurd inventory levels, and technical support from somebody who actually knows what they're talking about, even if he has a questionable diet. No matter who you are, if you're our partner, you're going to be fed solid leads from people around the country who need cable installed. And there's a lot of them. And in case you didn't know, installing heat cable is an incredibly profitable niche. How profitable? Let's do some math. Most of our contractors around the country are winning jobs by bidding between $14 to $22 per foot for installed cable. When average installers can easily lay down 100 feet of cable per hour, 60 to 70% profits are common. But don't take my word for it, just ask some of our contractor partners. Thank you for taking a minute with me. I really hope we get to work together.
That could have gone worse.